So in this case, someone may land on your website organically, they may check out your jobs, and they may start to go through and see whichever job it is that's relevant for them. Maybe it's this one. And as they go through, they may just do a standard application for the job as well. So there's many ways that the candidate is going to show interest in this job, but the key thing is using automation to follow up with them to take the next step, which is the screening itself. So back in the candidate's inbox, now what they're going to do is they're going to receive a outreach. And the first one we've got here is we have your application, you've shown interest, so now let's take that next step, which is to kick into the screening agent. So the screening agent has been designed to be intuitive with the job description on the left-hand side, so the candidate can always read key information about the job as they're going through the process. And on the right-hand side, there's some basic instructions just to make sure that they know how much time it's going to take to go through it, make sure that they've allowed microphone access, etc. And then once they've agreed to terms, they can start the interview.
Hello, this is Alice, an AI agent for Acme. I am going to interview you for the Java developer position. Are you ready to begin the interview?
Hi Alice, that's great, let's go.
Great. Let's get started. First question, do you have at least 3 years of professional experience in Java development?
Yes, I have over 5 years experience developing Java-based applications for enterprise solutions.
Thank you for sharing that. Let's move on to the next question. Are you proficient in MySQL, MaxDB, and MongoDB? Somebody will review your responses and get in touch soon. Thank you for your time today.
What a positive experience. I'll give that a 5. So that's it. Screening's now complete. So at this stage, the recruiter's receiving a notification. And if we go back into Bullhorn, what we'll see is a new note's been added to the job. And that's going to be the complete transcript of the conversation that's happened. So if we expand this one out, we can go through it. So first of all, it provides a summary of the conversation and the candidate and the experience, etc. Secondly is an analysis, so how they performed, how they demonstrated, what they confirmed, etc. The third one is we also give suggested focus areas. So that's really a call to action that when the recruiter speaks to the candidate, that they focus on making sure that they touch on these topics as well. And then lastly, you get the full transcript here as well. So you can see exactly how the conversation went and exactly what the candidate said to the agent as they went through. And from an applicant's perspective, well, the candidate's now going to receive a follow-up email, this time saying that the screening's complete. And based on the high score that they received, well, now there's a call to action, which is book time in the diary with the recruiter. So that's the calendar integration now loading up as well, which is all part of automation. And now they can say, hey, do you know what? I want to speak to the recruiter. They're available 11 a.m. on Monday. Let's go and get that booked in and provide information as we go. And finally, as an added bonus, if we go back into Bullhorn, what you'll now see is in the submission list is we can now track every single screening score that comes back for the jobs that we need to. So I've got this listed on the job. These are all the candidates that have gone through. I can sort this by screening score if I want to get to my best candidates first. I can always click on any of these and check out the note from this place as well and see that same note everywhere we go. And then this is all actionable data, which means that once we successfully place a candidate, if we have a surplus of candidates that have become silver medalists, we can focus on the ones that scored the highest and make sure that we now advertise those candidates out to other customers or potentially prospects to generate new business there as well.